Hello you guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't already know me, my name is Brittany. So if you are new here, leave a like, drop a comment, and consider subscribing, because that'd be pretty cool. So for today's video, I wanted to show you guys how I make my YouTube banner. So the first thing you want to do is click this little button right here. So right here. And then it'll open up the channel art. So right below, drag a photo here. So right here where it says how to create channel art, you want to click that. And then scroll down where you'll see image tips and guidelines. Get images for channel art, image size, file, and guidelines. How to resize images. So hit the middle one, which is image size and file guidelines, which will open up a drop down menu. Scroll down a little bit. Click on this link right here. It says channel art templates. So whenever you click that, it will install it. I already had it, so I just installed it a second time. That's what it looks like. So I'm gonna close that out now that I have it down here. And I'm going to be using Pixlr today. You could also use Photoshop if you have Photoshop. I have it on my phone, but I don't have it on my laptop, and I'm not trying to pay for it. So I use Pixlr because it's free and it's easy. Alright, now it's open. So the first thing I like to do is go to my text right here, add new text. Alright, so obviously for the text it's going to be my name because that's my channel's name. That's a pretty cool font, so I might actually keep it like that. But you can basically go through right here, click font, and you can go through all the different types of fonts. Actually, I kind of like that one. They have a lot of good fonts on here. But for now, yeah, I'm just going to keep it as that one. And then I'm going to make the size a little bit smaller. Put that like, trying to center it. And try and make it pop a little bit more. Add another text. So I'm just gonna plug in my Snapchat username, my Instagram. So I'm going to go to this icon over here, right here. I'm going to click it, which brings me to add an image. I'm gonna minimize this really quick, grab this image over here on my desktop. So if you haven't already, just choose whatever image you want off Google and drag it onto your desktop. I'm gonna drop it right there. No, there. Maximize it. Drag it to fit the corners. So that should show up good. Now I'm gonna minimize that again, and I look up Instagram logo ping or PNG, that way it's a transparent background. Alright. Just shrinking that down. I really need to make that font bigger because you can't even see my... See if we can make this darker. Make it a little bit bigger. Oh, Jesus. Trying to even level everything out. I think that's good. So normally, you might want to use like a really plain background. That way you can actually see, what your writing is. But for this case, I don't really care because, as you can see, in the YouTube thing, they can always click the links here if they really want to see, my Snapchat and Instagram. So I don't really need it to be this bold anymore because of this feature. So I'm not too worried about them really seeing it. And with my name, same thing goes because obviously it's right here. So we're pretty much done here, at least I am, with everything that I wanted to do. So I'm just going to go ahead and save this. Wait, let me delete these off my, alright, full screen. Going down here and hit save. Alright, make sure everything looks right. Save. Okay, go back to YouTube. Hit this icon right here. And I'm gonna drag it from here to there. Alright. And select. And that's what it looks like. So there you go. I hope you guys like this little tutorial. I hope you found it somewhat helpful. Just leave a like, comment, subscribe for more.